Hello everyone, Chu here with picoCTF Walkthroughs by WeAreRoot, and today we're doing bases. So what does this mean? I think it has something to do with bases. Let's check out the hints here. Submit your answer in our competition Slack format. For example, if your answer was hello, you would submit picoCTF hello as the flag. Now, let's go ahead and convert this to something we can actually do with. So what do we know? What should we do with this situation? So let's talk about bases real quick. And bases, all of our numbers are in base 10, right? So that goes from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 numbers right there. So base 2 would be 0, 1. Base 3 would be 0, 1, 2. So to count to 10 in like base 2, which is also known as binary, it'd be 0, 1, or 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and then it would be like 1, 0, 0, and then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, just stuff like that, right? It's really weird counting up there. And with base 10, it'd just be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you get to something like base 11, what do you do there? We only have 10 numbers. Well, this is where you start putting in letters. So if you do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it wouldn't be 11. It'd be 0A. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, which would be base 16. So this right here, when we have both capitals and lowercase, this is generally consumed as base 64, and that allows you to put lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and a few other characters as well. So if you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 26 right there, another 26 for the second, or the uppercase version of the alphabet, that's 52, plus your 10 numbers, 62, that allows you for 2 extra spaces. So as you can tell here, we have uppercase, lowercase, and some numbers. Let's try base 64 to ASCII. And ASCII is a different type of base, and this is kind of just saying the same thing as going to text. So we say, we're just going to look up a base 64 decoder, right? And we have one right here, base 64 encode.org. So if we look up base 64 decoder here, it's going to be the first result code version because we're decoding this into something we can read. And UTF-8, that's just a type of formatting that allows us to convert to text. And let's click on decode here. There you go. Learn the ropes, apparently. So if we go back to our little thing here, as you can tell here, it's saying if your answer was hello, you would submit that. So let's go ahead and put in our little format here. Learn the ropes and submit. And there we go. And that is how you do it. And that's a nice little quick introduction to bases, and which we'll be doing more and more as we do more tutorials. Thank you all for watching, and hope you all enjoyed.